In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide pages from the navigation menu on your Wix website. This can be handy if you want to keep some pages private or simply don't want them cluttering up your site's main menu. Let's dive straight into it. To begin with, you'll need to access the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. If you haven't done so already, log into your Wix account and navigate to the editor for the website you'd like to modify. Once you have the editor open, it's time to locate the section where your site structure is controlled. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the Wix editor interface. Here, you'll find a button labeled Pages and Menu. Click on this button, which will bring up a menu showing all the pages currently part of your website. This section is crucial because it lists everything you've got on your site and how it's currently organized and displayed in your navigation menu. Next, look through the list of pages for the one you wish to hide from the navigation menu. You might have a variety of pages listed, such as Home, About, Contact, and others you've created. Take a moment to identify the specific page you're looking to make less publicly visible. Once you've found the page in question, you'll notice a small icon or a set of actions associated with it. Here, you should see an option that reads Hide from Menu. Go ahead and click on this option. What this does is effectively remove the page from being displayed in your site's navigation bar, giving you a cleaner and possibly more focused menu system tailored to your specific needs or preferences. Now, just to confirm that everything is set up as intended, take a glance at your website's navigation menu in the editor. You should notice that the page you chose to hide is no longer visible in this menu. It's important to remember that this only hides the page from the menu. The page itself is still live and accessible by direct URL, but it won't be easily found via your site's main menu navigation. And there you have it. The process of hiding pages from your Wix site's navigation menu is complete. This little trick can be very useful if you want to manage how visitors interact with your site, ensuring they focus primarily on the content that's most important. It's also a great way to manage future pages or content you're working on without having them appear before you're ready to officially launch them. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful for customizing your website.